Friends, today let's check out some of the useful commands in Linux. First, let's start with htop. Htop is used to monitor the processes, how much each process is taking, memory, CPU, etc. You can change the sort order of the htop by using F6. You can sort it based on CPU, etc. And yeah, so here you can see there are multiple details is showing. Now let's move on to the next command. So let's check out these commands: ls, cd, curl, make directory, rm, find, grep, sed, and time. Okay, I'll briefly explain each commands. ls, cd, curl. Okay, ls stands for list directory, list. Basically, it will list down all the directories and also files. There are many options supported here. You can check out the manual page for the details. So you can use man ls, it will show you all the details about the ls command. Okay, let's just try to execute this command. Yeah, here you can see it has listed down all the contents of the current directory. Then cd stands for change directory. You can go to any directory to which you have access, of course. Then we have curl. Curl is a HTTP request. You can make get, put, post, delete request using curl. So I'll just use curl google.com. Of course, you can provide authentication and all the other options, headers. All right. So next command is make directory. mkdir stands for make directory. mkdir tmp. Let me create a directory with tmp name. Then rm stands for remove. You can remove the files, and if you use -r option, you can recursively remove all the files inside the directory as well. So let me try rm minus. So if you simply give rm for any directory, it will give you an exception. You cannot delete the directory basically. So you can use -rm -r, then it will simply delete that directory. All right. So if you make ls, yeah, that directory is gone. Next command is find. So find dot will list all the files recursively from the current directory. Next command is grep. So you can grep is basically search. Okay, so let's say I want to output the commands of find, and I want to grep, let's say cache. Okay, so I have these many files or folders having cache in the directory or the file name. Next command is sed. As sed stands for streamline editor. You can basically change the find and change the text from the previous command output. So let's say I want to change this cache to let's say sample text. All right, so I want to find cache and replace this. So if I do s cache sample text ng, yeah, here you can see cache is gone. This is affecting only the output. It doesn't actually modify the file name, but you can of course modify the file names as well, and you can edit inside the file. All those things are supported using sed. Then we have time. Time is, of course, it will tell you how much time the command execution took. Okay, so the same command, the previous command, I will just prepend with time. So it will so along with the output, it will also show you the time, how much this time took. Okay, this entire command took. So you can, if you want to check the execution time or the, let's say, download time, okay, so you can use time. Yeah. So next command is for checking the disk space usage. It's df-h. All right, so it will list down the uh, the sizes, basically how much size is available, okay, total size and how much is used and how much is available, okay, how much percentage of the disk is used. This you can check, it will show for each of the partitions. So this is all partitions, it's not the entire disk, but it's the partition. All right, that's about df minus h. Again, of course, you can check man df for more details, what are the different options supported using df. Next command is iostat. Iostat is used to measure your input output stat, primarily the disk itself, how much read and write is happening on to the disk. So iostat, and you can use -m option to show the data in the megabytes. So iostat -m, I'll just try to see my disk usages. My disk starts with NVM, okay, so I'll grep for NVM and I will use OR operator, let's say to device also. Okay, so this is, I have just grepped the first line and the lines containing NVM. So here you can see how much write is happening, how much read is happening. It's all displayed in megabytes per second. All right. So other details are also outputted here. So that's it, guys. So these are some of the useful commands that you can use in Linux for basic analysis purpose. Let's say if you're facing some issues with some resource utilization, you can check out like which process is taking more resources. Similarly, so if you're getting warnings about disk space, you can use the df minus h, and also there is another command called du minus sh. Even this one displays how much each of these files and directories are taking on a high level. Then again you can go inside that directory and check out which specific file is taking so much of space in the disk. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, and hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you.